Now, hello all together, and now I promise you that see you on page 15 on the Mathematic Basic Learning, page 15 about this book Mathematics in Action. I will free for you. You can contact to me. I will free for you. You can pay only shipping cost. Yeah, I'm free cost for you. Okay, I have only one, but if you want, you can contact me. About page 16. Sorry, for 15 like this addition and subtraction patterns. Okay, you find red cubes and two blue cubes and a red pencil red color and a blue color, and we'll join to show the first color to show your drain and write the sum. Okay, you write the sum. You can write 1 2 3 and so now after you color and after you do exercise, and you can color with the next box. Yeah, so number 1 exercise, and 4 plus 1 equal 5, and so you can see 4 for red, yeah, red and plus 1. Okay, blue equal 5. Yeah, 5 1 2 3 4 5, and so now 1 plus 4 equal 5 too. The color is blue. 1 is blue. Yes, blue, and the red is 1 2 3 4. And so now number 2 is the 2 plus 1 equal 3, so you can write down like this. Yeah, the same red is 2 and 1 color is 1, only 1, and so now 1 plus 2 you can write, yeah, the last one to before, and 2 first and plus 2, yeah, the same color two box. And so now number 3, and so now 3 and 2 plus 2 equal 4, so they're the same. You can write, for example, the blue 2 box and the red 2 box, and so now 2 plus 2 equal 2. You can change, you can move color the last two before. Yeah, so now it's called blue red red, blue red, and you can use more red blue. Yeah, different. So now 4 talks about the patterns you see, and there's drain to show the face, color to show you drain, right. So you can see about it. Continue from about 1 2 3 4, and below is 5 6 7 8. Okay, there are 4 2, and so now 2 plus 0 equal to 2 red and plus 0 blank color. Yeah, equal to, so now 3 plus 0, yeah, example 2 3 the same, and plus 0 blank color. And so now exercise number 7 is 0 plus 5 equal 5. So you can pen 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now 8, so 1 plus 0 equal 1, so now 1, and there are 4 blank, yeah, color. So now 9, you see a pattern and write what is noun about adding 0. Yeah, a lot of you can see plus 0 1 0 2 3, so you can write 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, thank you for your watching. So now the next video, see you again, and page 16. This final finish on page 15. Thank you.